Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do week 5 lesson of business studies for class C2. Our resources are Cambridge IGCSE Business Studies and the writers are Peter Stimson and Karen Borrington. Now look at the contents. Objective, resource, review of the last week, break-even analysis, break-even chart, break-even analysis working, formula of break-even, advantages, limitations, summary and assignment. Objective. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the break-even point, explain the break-even chart, explain the break-even formula, explain the advantages and limitations. Review of the last week. In last week lesson, we learned the difference between fixed cost and variable cost, and we understood the main causes of diseconomies of scale. Definition and meaning. Definition. The point at which cost and income are equal and there is neither profit nor loss. Meaning. Financial result reflecting no profit, no loss, to earn enough money to pay for expenses without any profit. Now look at this chart. Dear students, you can see total revenue line intersecting with total cost line. That point is called break-even point. The blue margin is showing you profit area and the shaded red area is showing you the loss. Break-even analysis. Break-even analysis entails the calculation and examination of the margin of safety for an entity based on the revenues collected and associated costs. Analyzing different price levels relating to various levels of demand, a business uses break-even analysis to determine what level of sales are necessary to cover the company's total fixed cost. A demand-side analysis would give a seller significant insight regarding selling capabilities. How break-even analysis works? Break-even analysis is useful in determination of the level of production or a targeted desired sales mix. The study is for management's use only, as the metric and calculations are not necessary for external sources such as investors, regulators or financial institutions. This type of analysis depends on a calculation of break-even point. The break-even point is calculated by dividing the total fixed cost of production by the price of a product per individual unit less the variable cost of production. Fixed costs are those which remain the same regardless of how many units are sold. Break-even analysis looks at the level of fixed cost relative to the profit earned by each additional unit produced and sold. In general, a company with lower fixed cost will have a lower break-even point of sale. For example, a company with $0 of fixed cost will automatically have broken even upon the sale of the first product, assuming variable costs do not exceed sales revenue. However, the accumulation of variable costs will limit the leverage of the company as these expenses come from each item sold. Now students, look at the break-even formula. Formula is fixed cost divided by selling price minus variable cost. For example, if the fixed cost is $2,10,000 and selling price is $1,000 and variable cost is $400. So by applying the formula, we get the answer 350 units. Advantages of break-even chart. Managers can calculate expected profit or loss. The impact on profit loss can be shown. Maximum revenue can be calculated. Break-even chart helps to check the safety of margin. Limitations. We are assuming that all goods are actually sold. Scale of production does not change. We are ignoring many business operations. Cost and revenue can be drawn with straight lines. Now let's summarize the lesson. In this lesson, you have learned break-even level of output, usage of break-even level, break-even formula, advantages of break-even, limitations of break-even. For this lesson, you will do two questions in your assignment. Question number 1. What are the advantages of break-even chart? Question number 2. What are the limitations of break-even chart? Thank you, students. Best of luck.